Hello, welcome to another video for Certified Teacher 235, Mathematics 7 through 12. And this is part 2 of Competency 006, Linear and Quadratic Functions. And our problem states the following. When finding the slope of a line connecting two points where A is 3, 2 and B is 4, -5, by using the formula m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, doesn't matter if 4 is x1. So here what we will do is first set that our point A is 3, 2, and we will set as this 3 being x1 and this 2 being y1. Now, this means that our B will be 4, -5, and our 4 will be x2, and our -5 will be y2. y2. There we go. So now all we have to do is substitute the values into the formula we were given. Here, our function states that it is y2, and our y2 is -5. So here we have -5 minus y1, and our y1 is 2. So we have 2, and this is all over x2, which our x2 is 4, minus x1, and our x1 is 3. Now, if we do this, we are left with -7 over 1, which is -7. So our m equals to -7. Now, if we do this again, but now we switch our x1s, y1s, and our x2s and y2s. So here we will have the point A being 3, 2, and in this case, our 3 will be x2, and our 2 will be y2. And for B, we have the point 4, -5, and our 4 will be x1, and our -5 will be y1. So again, all we have to do is substitute our values, and here we would have m equals to y2, and our y2 is 2, minus y1, and our y1 is -5. So here we have -5 all over x2, and our x2 is 3, and minus x1, and our x1 is 4. So here, if we were to do this, we have +7 on top and -1 as our denominator. And this means that it is -7. So now, if we compare our answers, we have, when first we set as 4 as our x2, we have -7. And when we set our our 4 being x1, we have -7. So we can conclude that it does not matter whether 4 is x1 or x2 as long as we keep them the same. So here we have the second right here, we kept A with the x1 and y1, and our B being x2 and y2. Now, this becomes a problem when we have A, if we have 3 and 2, and if we set it as x1 and y2. This is not correct. So as long as we keep them the same, so A has to be 3 comma 2, it has to be x1 and y1 for it to stay the same.